Hi, Washington champions. I hope you enjoyed the activities last week for field day at home. I saw a few of you did that. I was very proud of you. I wanted to let you know what's going on the continuous learning plan for PE this week. So I was going to show you how to get there again. First, we get on the Olathe Public Schools continuous learning page, and we're going to scroll down to a grade level that you are. I picked 3rd grade, but it's the same for everyone. I'm going to scroll down to specials and click here. Once you get there, I'm going to go to May 11th through 15th. That's this week's. I want to let you know that any of those others you can click on, and there are many activities. I know some of you are starting to need to get out a little bit more and need to get active. So you can go to any of those weeks and grab some of the activities there and have some fun with that at home with your family. I'm going to click on May 11th to 15th. When I get there, I'm going to scroll down again to where it says PE, and I'm going to show you a couple activities. This first activity right here is called Treasure Island Map, and it's about doing 5 days of exercise to capture the islands and basically win the game. So those are awesome activities that you can do. There's also a wellness activity, a wellness lesson on washing your hands. This would be good for everyone to watch. I'm actually going to click on this, and we're just going to watch a little bit of it, but I'm not going to give it away because it's a science experiment that you can do at home with the items that you have at home. I'm going to click on that real quick.
All right, PE scientist about germs and how they stay on your hands and why it's so important to use soap when you wash your hands and to wash your hands really good. So Henry, are you ready to do the experiment? All right, here we go. Okay, so what do we need for our experiment, Henry?
Water and pepper.
Okay, so we need a paper plate or just a regular plate. You need a little bit of water, and you need some pepper. And we just have a little bit of hand soap in the bottom of this tin. So you need a little thing with some hand soap. All right, so there's the water onto our plate. Now, Henry, can you take the pepper and can you sprinkle some pepper into our water?
Okay, I'm going to stop the video there, but I wanted to show you that because it's really important to wash your hands, and it's going to show you exactly why it's important to use that soap, okay? So I want to make sure you watch the rest of that video to find out what happens. Right below that is a hand washing video, and that's a great video that shows Henry there in that video washing his hands, and he was singing the ABCs pretty slowly. That's about how much time you should be spending washing your hands to get rid of germs. All right, other ideas. There's a bingo card. There's a jumping jack flash and roll your story. I wanted to point out this one right here, PE gestures game. Great game to play with your family. And it also gets you very active because of the items that you're acting out are very physical activities. So I think you'd have a fun time playing this with your family. All right. That's what I wanted to show you this week. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe and healthy. Can't wait to see you soon. I'm going to be helping volunteer to give out student materials next week, so I'm hoping to catch some of you and be able to wave at you and tell you how much I miss you. Bye-bye.